You selfish bastard. You chose not to parent Jake, just like you chose not to be with me. You walked away and you never looked back.